Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Natea. If you're new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you're coming back, welcome back. So today we're going to be doing some crochet braids again. Guys, my braid pattern, it's not new, okay? Not new. So today I'll be working with here from Toyotress. They sent me 3 packs of FB 30 and I think 6 packs of 1B, and I'm using their Tiana Passion Twist in 6 inches. Okay, so in all I think I had 9 packs. You get some elastic bands and some ear ornaments and a crochet hoop, and you also get a care card as to how you should care for your hair. And this is what the hair is looking like. It is nice. It's not as fluffy as I would have imagined. The colored ones are more fluffy than the black ones, and you get 12 pieces per bundle, right? So it's enough to do your entire head, but as I said, they're not very fluffy, and I'm just gonna go ahead to install them. So again guys, I've done crochet braids so many times. At this point in time my hair is super short because I did recently do a big chop, so crochet braids is what works for me at this point. So I'm using my crochet hook as always, and I am pointing it downwards, and then I'm gonna attach it to the hair. I'm gonna pull the hair through, and I'm gonna open the loop and pull the ends of the hair through. I think you guys can understand. So again, I insert the crochet hook, attach it to the loop, then I pull it through, and I'm gonna pull the end of the hair through the loop, and then that will seal it. Okay, so I'm gonna do that for my entire head. And I know you've been seeing my daughter in my videos, especially my crochet videos, but she likes to be with me, and when I keep her with me I get to do what I'm doing without any hassle. I hope you guys understand that. Okay, so for y'all who don't like to see my baby in my videos, you can don't watch it. Okay, so I'm just gonna continue doing that. And for the pieces, I did actually just, it was like freestyle really, to decide where I would put what and which color would go where. Okay, so again, as I said before, so in this places where I have spaces, like where one plait connect to the next, because the hair wasn't so thick, I would put a hair right there. I put a twist right there just to seal the space. And I love the color, the length. I wasn't feeling it at first, to be honest. It kind of took a while to grow on me. Still hasn't grown on me fully, but you know, I'm rocking it anyway. We rock anything over here, or we make anything look nice. Okay, so I got my braid pattern, guys. It was not new, it's a week old, so the back kind of looked dusty, but don't mind that. Okay, just pretend that that's not happening. You know, I didn't have the time to go ahead and do my hair all over again, so I kind of just had to improvise and just use what I already had. So I just went ahead and did that. Okay, so if you start off with your hair freshly braided, it will look super decent. So that's what it's looking like when the front is finished. I'm gonna go ahead and do the back. And guys, in the back I do 1 finger width apart, as I told you guys a million times. Every time I do crochet, depending on the width of the hair, if the hair is super thick, I'll do 2 finger width apart, but if they are regular width, I'll do 1 finger width apart. So as I said before, the back of my hair is dusty, so y'all don't come for me. It's not a freshly done braid pattern or freshly done base, so y'all can just watch that, and I'll see you guys when I'm done. Alright guys, so this is it all done, and I did go ahead and put some makeup on just to, you know, that I could feel the hair a little bit. And I do realize that, you know, once I get my face together, I feel a lot better. You know, not that I don't feel confident when I wear makeup, but you know how it is. When your hair and your face is done, it's lit. Okay, it's over. I love the hair, to be honest. At first, as I said before, it wasn't really growing on me. I did lay my edges earlier in the day, and I used my edge booster to lay my edges, and I did add 2 little beads to the sides, as you guys saw before. And you know I love my half up half down. It's my favorite look, and I kept the hair in this look, but I'm just gonna take it down so you guys can see what it looks like as a little bob. This is giving you natural, okay? This is giving you, I just did some twist on my hair, and this is my natural hair, okay? This is giving you natural is the way to go, and I love it. Okay, so guys, this was a easy look to achieve, as you guys saw, and it looks so natural. So if you have kids, they can also wear this if you put braids in your kids' hair. If you are going for more of a natural look because it is hot this summer, you can always go for this. And again, I'm using the Toyotress Tiana Passion Twist, the color 1B and FB30. So this is a good mixture. I love the color. Okay, I think my favorite style, to be honest, was when it's down. I know I said it was a half up half down, but I love when it's down. It just gives me something different. Okay, so guys, if you're interested in this look, the link to the hair will be in the description box, so you can go ahead and get it, and they're on Amazon, so you know if you have Prime you'll get it quickly. So yeah guys, that is it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and if you have any thoughts in the hair, leave it. Alright, so leave your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to be the most authentic you. Bye bye.
The obvious reasons true love is no longer in season. Who can you trust anymore? All they do is walk out the door. Eventually